Hello, welcome to Unofficial Design. In today's video, I will talk about how to remove black backgrounds and make this confused mess mean. We have all the assets ready, just import and just get it up. And you can see we have the mask formulas video with a solid black background. We just need to search for shift channels and apply the effect. Take alpha from luminance. And the rest three we choose alpha. It's sort of naked. And if you need a mask pre-compose, remember to check move all attributes into the new composition and click OK. You can use the pen tool or shape tool to create mask. Here we are. Hope this video helps. See you next week.